So as mentioned in the last lesson, the next thing we need to do is set up some of these cloud providers that we'll need to work with. So in this case, we'll have GitHub and Snowflake. We'll go through them one at a time, starting with GitHub. And GitHub is a cloud platform to version control projects using Git. So remember, we installed Git locally on our machine, and it can work locally. We can version control things on our local environment. But in a real world scenario, we're going to be working with other people. We want to share our code. We want to work with a team. And that means people need to be able to communicate and collaborate together. Again, remember the viewpoint. We need people to work together and collaborate on analytics. So we're going to use Git. It's a way to host your repository, host your projects, and that's what we'll set up here next. So I'll go over here now to github.com. As it says, is where the world builds software. It's one of the most popular ones. Other examples are GitLab and Bitbucket, but I really like GitHub and it's an easy one to use. So we'll work with this. Then let's sign up. I'll start us from scratch here. We'll go through this. Enter your email. If you already have a GitHub account, feel free to skip this part. This is just to build your account. Create a password. Continue. Enter a username. So this will be how you're recognized on GitHub. Hello, KDS. Why not? No. Let's start a puzzle. Okay. Go ahead and create account. So it sent me a code. I'll go and find this. So I've opened this email on another window here. I'll put that code in. You know, if you have a team, you can add how many people you expect to have. I'm just going to put me and sure, I'm a teacher. Why not? What are some things you're doing? Let's just go ahead and skip personalization. We don't need this. Wow, this is pretty intense. Initializing your dashboard is getting us set up and we're ready to go. So now this is the main page that you'll land on. We can see we can create repositories, and that's really another way of saying a project. So we're going to ultimately create a repository for DBT. We don't have that yet. We haven't done anything for DBT yet. We're just getting ourselves set up. But at this point, we're all set with GitHub and we can move on.